Hello there, and welcome to GenaDrop. GenaDrop is a multi-chain, no-code generative art creator, minter, and marketplace. Over the course of this tutorial, I'll be explaining to you one of GenaDrop's most powerful tools, the Create app. And by the end of this tutorial, you will have learned how to navigate GenaDrop Create app user interface, generate your first NFT arts or collections. So let's get started. Okay, we are now on GenaDrop Create app page, and as you can see, there's a quick user guide on how to use GenaDrop Create app. We'll be closing that up for now, so you can be able to jump straight to the UI. Although not to worry, you can always pull out the quick user guide using this icon there anytime we want to. Yeah. And over the left side of the Create tab, we have our collection name, which you can always change to whatever collection name we want, not like so. And underneath the collection name, we have our layer orders and traits. On our layer order, this is where all our layers for our art appears and their individual traits. To add new layer, we simply need to click on this add new layer button and add a layer. For example, let's add a background layer. Okay, add. Let's also add a head layer. Add. So we can add as much layer as we want. And over at the right side of the Create app, we'll have a preview pane. On this preview pane, this is where we'll see what our art will look like in preview. And underneath our preview pane, we'll have the description. This is where we input the description for our art or collection. And to be able to generate a collection, we simply need to input the number of arts we want to generate off of the possible combinations there is, and then click on generate. So to create a new collection, let's finish adding all the needed layers for our art and then uploading unnecessary image files. So let's click on add layer button and then add eye layer, and what next? Lips layer, and also skin layer, um hair, yeah, and clothes. Yeah. So I figured out for this demonstration we wouldn't be needing a head layer because we already have our skin layer contains our head, both our head and all of the body. So we wouldn't be needing a head layer. So I'm going to change this head layer, like rename it to okay, an earrings layer because we have an earring on our art. So okay, let me maintain um unison in naming. Okay, should be consistent. Okay, yeah, you can always rename your layers to whatever you want, whatever suits you. Okay, I don't like the clothes. Let's change this to outfits. Okay, outfits. Right. Okay, now we need to upload our image files to our layer. This is the layer background. So all we need to do is just click on this upload button, then pops a browse file option pops up. We add. I've added background for our layers. So we've added images for our background. Sorry, and for earrings, let's go to the earrings folder, and voila, it's in. For the eye layer, click on upload. Go to upload layer, and it's in. For lip layer, go to upload. Go to the lips folder, and it's in too. For the skin, this is where we have both the body and the head together. So that was why we didn't needed a head layer. Yeah. So skin. Yeah, this is what I mean. So you can work with GenaDrop Create page as in how it suits your artwork, or just to make sure that it suits your artwork in any type of way. Maybe assuming, like, for instance, you have your head layer different from your body, you're going to add a head layer here on the layers order, and also a body layer, just so you can add all those individual parts. So for the hair, click on a hair, upload. Do we have a hair? Okay, that's hair layer. Okay, add hair. And for the last one, the outfit, click on outfits. Okay, I have outfits. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Right now, I can't see on the preview pane. I can't see anything. So all I need to do is just click on the particular layer. Yeah, I just click on the file on a particular layer. This is the background, the earrings. Okay, the eye, the lips, the skin, and the hair and outfit. Notice one thing on the preview pane here. You can't see all of that, all of that layers except from the background, because why? This background here is sitting on top. This background layer is sitting on top all of all other layers, and it's covering everything up. So all you need to do to fix that is drag this background layer all the way down. Okay, all the way down. Now you can see it's sitting at the back of our art piece, but something is still not the way it should be. Okay, yeah, the skin is sitting on top of the outfit. So all we need to do is reposition it by dragging it down under the outfit. So yeah, I still need like click this, try to show up. Yep. Okay, that's good. So you can see under this preview pane, you can see all the description of this art piece. Yeah. Now let's go over to conflict rule. Let's try and set a conflict rule for our art. Now I would love to set a conflict rule for this pink hijab lady with earrings, because it wouldn't make sense for a pink lady to be wearing an earring, or for the earrings to be showing outside of the hijab. So I want to set a conflict rule for that. Setting a conflict rule means that any set of image I select now will not form an art together during well, when I click on the generate button. So they're not going to form an art together. So to do that, I need to click on the set conflict rule. Yeah. Then click on this. It's selected. Then I come over here and click on this. It's selected. Then I said click on add rule. Okay. Okay, it's in. Now to see the rules I've added so far, I can just click on these rules. Then I can see the rule I've added. I can equally delete any rule I want, or clear the entirety of the conflict rule I set. I'm not going to clear this though. So I need to set another conflict rule for this earring. Yeah, hijab lady. Okay. Then add rule for this last one. Set conflict rule. Click and select. Okay, that's about it. Add rule. Now we have three rules, three conflict rule I've already set between the pink hijab lady and earrings. So that is all about the conflict setting conflict rule. So about rarities, let me change the rarity for this. Um let me select 10. Adding rarity to your artwork means controlling the number of times sorry controlling the number of time you want that particular image to show up and on the entire combination. Like if you want it to show up on like just 5 times throughout the whole combination, this is where you set it with the rarities. Just control the number of time a particular image forms a generative art. So yeah, think that is it. Okay, yeah, we're good to go. Okay, yeah. So let's input the number of arts we want to generate. I want to generate arts of 2,230. I want to generate only 2,000 arts. So I put input the numbers I want to generate, and then click generate. It's going to take a little bit of time, but it shouldn't take much of too much time before it's done generating. So when it's done, I'll see you when it's done. Yeah. So this is the preview of the um generated ads. So I can go through individually, remove the ones I don't want to download or the ones I don't like. I can also download the files, the generated files individually. But for the sake of this demo, we are trying to generate a collection. So I'm going to download the zip for the files so we can able to mint it on GenaDrop mint page. So yeah.